So, welcome to rounding day 2. Today is all rounding using number lines. So, it's hard to see what I have written. So, I'm going to lift the paper up. Actually, I'm going to use another paper. So you can actually see, you can look at your own. If you look, this is 8 and 50 hundredths and 8 and 60 hundredths, so 8.50, 8.60, and in between I've went ahead and labeled 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54, 0.55, 0.56, 0.57, 0.58, 0.59, and then the next one of course will be 0.60. Now on this, it is wanting us to round the number 8.53. 8 and 53 hundredths. So you just have to count over 51, 52, 53. The point is here. Visually, we can see it is closer to this side. So it is going to round to 8.50. Okay, this is rounding to the nearest tenth. And as I told you yesterday, that would be underline the tenth. So we're going to write it 8.5. The same thing holds true here. 1, 2, we're going to 6 hundredths. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're counting over 6 because this is 0 and that's 1. So it's between 0 and between 0 and 10 is 6. And then we're looking visually and it's going to move over to this side. We're rounding to the tenths. So we're going to write 9.1. You can also do it up here. And I'm going to write it a little bit bigger. Find your place. 10th. Look next door. 6. 5 or greater? Yes. So add one more. So I bring down the 1. All numbers in front stay the same. All numbers behind, 0 is your name. Find your place. Drop the zeros at the end after the decimal. All right. Whether you do it visually or whether you do it with the poem following the steps, it does give you the same answer in the end. But you will need to know how to use a number line for the quiz. 5.21, well, we're just going to count 1 over. It's closer to this one. 5.20, find your place, so it's 5.2, 61.89, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's definitely closer to this one. Find your place. 61.9. And oops, I'll do that one again. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's closer to this one. Find your place, which is the tenths. Drop the 0 at the end after the decimal. So there you have rounding using a number line. See you tomorrow.